Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Woody from he's from Toy Story in Dress to Impress. So let's get started. You'll only need 7 things, and you do need VIP, unfortunately, for the shirt. You can kind of use this one, but obviously, I don't really like the ruffles, and I cannot take it out. So let's get started with the video. For the outfit, just removing everything except for the ones I did make some accessory adjustments on. For the hair, I just used this hair in this brown. For the cowboy hat, I used this color in brown. This hat in brown. In the silk, position the Y at 0.45, Z 0.42, and then rotate the X to 0.64 and scale it to 0.40. Then for the scarf, get this one in this pattern. In the flower pattern here, position the Y 0.71, Z 0.53, rotate the Y to 0.12 and scale it to 0.08. Then for the outfit, I just use this one in this yellow pattern. I just saved it here, this yellow clothes pattern, and I did matte here, and I colored it the cow pattern. And then for the rest, I'm just using this yellow pattern again to cover it up, the tie. For the jeans, I just use these jeans. I didn't really change the color, but you can, I guess. I forgot to do that, but get these shoes, and then I'm just going to color them brown. Unfortunately, we don't really have cowboy boots yet for men, for the masculine body. I'm just going to color it silk. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for my stomach. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I'm really hungry. And I'm just going to make the soles a little bit brighter here, and I'm just going to make the laces white. And then I'm just going to get the belt from the cowboy thingy-majigs. This one, I'm just going to make some minor adjustments. I'm just going to place it so you can see it a little bit better, here. I'm going to color the first color a red, and then the second one this brown here, and then this gold, whoops, hello, and then this gold color. I don't know if his belt is red or gold. Well, let's just do gold. And then here for the third toggle, do gold again, and then that brown, and then we're going to do gold again, and then that brown again. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.